You're welcome back to this class. And in this tutorial, I'll be taking you on mobile pond construction. So let us go straight to the class. So, mobile ponds, plastic tanks, vats, and tarpaulin. When you talk about mobile ponds, talk about plastic tanks, vats, and tarpaulin, just as I showed you before. Now, these ponds are already constructed based on your desired size and method, the way you want them to construct it for you. Your desire is how they're gonna make it for you, especially the tarpaulin. This you can always buy already made. You don't have to say this is what I want based if you're talking about plastic tanks or vats. You just go to the market and buy the size, your choice of size. And if it is tarpaulin, you decide on which one your tarpaulin seller should construct for you. Number two, it is best to erect your tarpaulin pond with wooden frames than iron frames, as you could brace the pond a whole lot more than when you use iron frames. Just as I showed you on, on our previous class, and it is good to to frame your ponds with a wooden frame than this. You can see, so it's very much better. So number three, expose the ponds to an open ventilated area as to enable the manufactured chemicals fade out faster. Expose the ponds to an open ventilated area as to enable the manufactured chemicals fade out faster. So when you get any mobile pond, make sure you keep them at an open place, especially the tarpaulin. So just keep them at an open place for at least 3 weeks, before you use. So when you keep them outside, what you now do is you treat the pond with dextrose, salt, and fratador, and allow to stay 3 weeks, after which wash with salt and stock your pond. So what you do with all this chemical is you just pour it around the pond which you kept outside. You just pour it inside. If it is tarpaulin, pour it on the body. Just spread it on the floor and pour these chemicals on the body, and just allow, don't pour water. If you are using salt, you can add salt in water and then spray on it. If you are using this is liquid, and fratador is a powder, so you can mix with water and pour on it. So stocking density. So in our next class, we'll be coming back to talk about the stocking density. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time, and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.